Hi, this is a DEWALT flip drive I bought from Amazon.com. Okay, here's the website. I pay $11.82. This flip drive has two functions. One is the jewel bit, screw drive. This is a pretty useful tool. Let's just try out. This flip drive comes with a key. You see here, I can go. Oh. See, you can change the jewel bit. Flip it over. This key, this is the only things I don't like it, because this key is very easy to misplace and get lost. So try out. See here, okay. Now, see, pretty good. Yeah. This flip drive is pretty useful. This is number 8. I can buy a number 6 and try again. No. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.